1 in 9 people do not have enough food, and roughly 100 million children are underweight.
I always think about helping them, but it seems too difficult to do it.
Because it takes a lot of research, and I am not sure I'll find the charity that I look for.
Everything gets much easier now. Thanks to WowApp, I can donate by just a few clicks directly from my phone.
Also, you get the chance to earn free money, which you can cash out,
or use it for a cause you believe in, and all these just by using the app.
It's time to make a change and do more good. Join me on WowApp, and let's make a better world through the power of sharing.
How to earn. WowApp is the network where you get rewarded when you communicate. In WowApp, you earn WOW coins. 1 WOW coin equals 1 US cent. The WOW coins earned to date are displayed in the Earnings tab in your account. There are many ways we share with you in WowApp. 1. Use WowApp to communicate with all your friends. WowApp in turn shares all revenue generated from advertising with you. We also share with you from all advertising revenue generated by your network. Up to 8 levels wide in your network. Wow! Let's take an example. When Julia invites Mary, she becomes Julia's level 1. When Mary invites Anna, Anna becomes Julia's level 2 and Mary's level 1, and so on. 2. Do you ever make international calls? In WowApp, you get rewarded for the international calls you or anyone in your network make. Plus, we have some of the lowest rates in the world. 3. Do you need a phone number from almost any country in the world? Get a WowApp virtual number and earn again. All these actions generate revenue when you or anyone in your network makes them. Soon we'll add more ways you can earn WOW coins. Remember, you are able to donate to charity or cash out in your own bank account with a simple click. How much money can you make? It's up to you and the size of your network. Happy earnings! WowApp, doing good through the power of sharing.